Planning your next diving holiday? Why not Sri Lanka? Divinguru offers the best experience on the island. Our services include scuba diving for beginners, PADI courses, fun diving for qualified divers, snorkeling trips, and even dolphin and whale watching tours. We operate in 3 beautiful locations to avoid the monsoon season and to make sure that your dive takes place on a sunny day with calm sea. Visit us on the south coast from October until April in Unawatuna, and on the east coast from March until October in Nilaveli and Trincomalee. The south coast features wrecks for all diving levels, deep dive sites with a maximum depth of 32 metres, spectacular marine life, rock topography with swim-throughs and visibility of 5 to 20 metres. The east coast of Sri Lanka has the best coral reefs, shallow dive sites of around 10 metres, the Pigeon Island Marine National Park, snorkeling with black-tip reef sharks and sea turtles, dolphin and whale tours, and visibility of 5 to 25 metres. Here's a quick overview of our services and what you can expect. The Divinguru Beginner Programme. A 2 to 3 hour session to discover scuba diving to 12 metres with an instructor, suitable for complete novices without any diving experience. Fun diving for certified divers. We dive every day at 8:30 in the morning and 1:30 in the afternoon with small groups, a maximum of 5 divers with a dive guide. PADI courses. We offer PADI scuba diving courses for beginners and qualified divers. Our most popular course is the PADI Open Water Diver course for beginners, which takes 4 days to get certified for diving to 18 metres. Snorkeling on the famous Pigeon Island on the east coast of Sri Lanka, where you can see black-tip reef sharks and different species of sea turtles. And finally, whale and dolphin watching on the east coast of Sri Lanka, going for the early morning tour at 5:30 a.m. to search for the largest animals in the world. Our first diving centre was established in 1999. We are German-owned diving centres with a local and international team of PADI professionals and 7 diving boats. Book online now and get a 10% discount on the whole booking made on our website. Want to know more? You can contact our friendly diving team through WhatsApp, email, or our booking form. We reply as soon as we get dry. Divinguru. Meet the professionals. Dive with us.